Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox Samsung A50. Let's look at the features quickly. Triple camera, on screen fingerprints, and up to 92 hours of audio playtime. And you have a 6.4 inch of Infinity U display, and you have a triple camera. Video is going to be a full HD, 30 frames per second, and you have micro SD up to 512 you can to extend, and dual SIM Bluetooth 5.0. It is 166 grams. So let's unbox the phone. It's around £309. I'll leave the link below for Amazon if you are interested in. We're going to test if Samsung went cheap on their phone, or they made a better phone in a cheap affordable price for the consumers. Power adapter and a USB-C charger and a headphone. It is not AKG, so I already set the phone up, so the display is quite well and it's respond quite fast. So we're going to test a few things out. So let's see the audio quality on the speakers and see how the full screen works with the Ultra. It is a dual SIM card, so you can have a 2 SIM at the same time, and the one I have is a black phone, and you do get it like, so you have a like really colorful display, but this is plastic rather than glass. And the glass is going to be, the screen is going to be mainly a glass. In the end of it, I'm going to take quite a lot of pictures and videos to see how good they are. First of all, we will see if it bends. The pose I'm giving, it is not bending, so they kept the same shapes. We're going to go to YouTube and see a video or watch something to see how the audio quality is.
Remember tonight I found something here with you. When I'm by the roadside, wait up for me, I'd go anywhere that you do.
So it does sound wrong, but the thing is, it's a one single speaker. So this is the only speaker you have. So let me play the song, and I will hold the speaker. So that's just how you're getting it without, if you're holding the speaker. So if you have a case that is covering the speaker, that is it, you cannot hear. They sounds really well. So let's look at that. So you get the same application as regular Samsung phones, with the same look and the same feel, and a bit more slower than the Samsung S10 Plus. Again, you can rate that's going to be a Samsung flagship phone. This is the mid-range phone, so you will going to have a difference, but quality wise I don't see any difference with I'm using at the moment Samsung S8 Plus. They have the same film, same features as the Samsung S8 Plus, even though I paid £700–800 for the phone. This is only £300, and you're getting a much better camera and a bit longer battery than the S8 Plus. Its camera was the main focus they made on this phone. That was you have a very in-depth cameras, you have a wide-angle camera, so you have an ultra-wide camera with 126 degree of field of visions, and you have a 25 megapixel of camera for brightness, depth camera for adjusting for the film. They were saying it is quite good to use on people, food, flowers, indoors, outdoors, dogs, sky, mountain, beach, sunset, city street, birds. So I'm gonna take pictures and videos of much as I can in this list. I'm gonna add that in the end of this video. See you after I'm using for a while. A50 actually quite reasonable price, and it does provide quite a good quality for a consumer. You're not paying quite a lot for the phone, but you are getting a lot out of it, especially on the camera, where iPhones is still on 12 megapixel, and with the sensors you do get a bit more on the quality, where here is you get a 25 megapixel. And so if you are a person who's taking quite a lot of pictures and videos, Thank you for watching.